Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a update video on my Hoover WindTunnel Plus. And I couldn't buy all the parts at once, unfortunately, so I bought the most important parts. And if we look at the bottom, you can see that I got a brand new CWP brush roll for it. It's a wooden brush roll and it's a CWP brush roll. The original run was a chevron style brush roll, so the bristles were facing a certain way that would make the dirt go where the suction is. And this is a different style brush roll that I replaced it with, and it's a much nicer one because the bristles are much stiffer and they're a lot longer, unlike my old brush roll that was in here that was worn out with shot bearings. So with this new brush roll in, this vacuum sounds like new again, so that's always a plus. You can see I got high adjustment wheels. When I got it from the thrift store, it was missing it, so maybe that explains why the brush roll was so worn out. But yes, that functions correctly. And I got these side rubber, I don't know what Hoover calls these, but they're not bristles, they're like rubbery. Maybe it helps with pet hair in the corners, I don't know. But I replaced those because, well, they were missing. So yes, those three parts are now working. And this machine sounds way better because you don't hear the bearings anymore. So we're going to go ahead and give it a run. I'm going to vacuum 2 rooms with this machine, and I'm also going to dust the window right there. So we'll get this thing plugged in. And the only thing I'm waiting on, or no, the only thing I have to still purchase are the extension wands that go at the back and the post and pre-motor filter, because there's none in there. I have a HEPA bag in it, so I'm not too worried about anything going through the motor because these HEPA bags filter very, very well. And you can see I've used this quite a few times, and you can see how clean everything is. So this is a pro of having a bagged vacuum. You don't have to deal with all that dust that bagless vacuums always are spewing out. So you can see all this is entirely clean, so I'm not too worried about a filter being down here just yet. So you can see how clean all this is. No dust. So we're gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna start dusting right here. You can see all this dirt and stuff, but I'm just gonna dust right here for now. You can see all this dust that builds up. That's what our windowsills look like when you live in the desert. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the hose out. I'm going to get the dusting brush. And we're going to do some dusting, so here we go. Alright, so I dusted this. Anything that's left over just needs to be wiped. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing ready to vacuum the carpet. I would do these whole blinds, but the hose is too short to do so, and I don't have the extension wands to do them, so obviously I'm not going to be able to reach all this. You can see how dirty these are. I'll probably do a video once I get the extension wands on dusting, because this is a very nice... This vacuum has a very nice dusting brush, and it's very effective on surfaces with dust or crumbs. So I'm going to go ahead and start vacuuming with it. So, here we go. Actually, I'm gonna make sure the blinds are closed so you guys can see the headlight working too. Now, it does squeal a little bit, and that's because with these upright vacuum cleaners, there's a little space, not a space, there's a little plastic piece that sticks out where the belt is, and I think that's so the belt doesn't slip off and it keeps it on the motor shaft and the brush roll. So sometimes it can rub against there a little bit and make that little noise when the machine is off. So yeah. I gotta say though, this machine, I'm very happy to have this. I'm definitely happy that I picked this up over the other vacuums that were at that thrift store, because I didn't even know I'd like these older Hoovers, but I've never tried one, and this is my first Hoover. And it's definitely the only Hoover I have in my collection. And you can just see the groom lines in the carpet. It did a very good job. The agitation on this is very good. And with that new brush roll, it definitely cleans so much better than the old one that was in here, since it's actually brand new. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the other room, and actually I'm going to check this couch, see if there's anything on it. Yeah, there's some fluff. I don't think you can see it on camera, but we're going to also go ahead and give that a quick vacuum. There's a little bit of lint and fluff on the couch. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out the upholstery tool. And we'll give the couch a quick vacuum. So there you have it. So that's just really an update on this machine that I got half the parts in. Once I get all the parts of the filters and the 2 wands, I'm gonna go ahead and do a review video on this. That's why I haven't done a review on this yet, because I want to get all the parts so this thing is 100% complete. But yeah, thanks for watching. You can see it did a great job in the office too, as it always does. So let me know what you guys think, and you guys will see more of this machine in the upcoming videos. So thanks for watching, and bye.